Good afternoon, Brandon. Thank you for your inquiry on the all-new 2020 Hyundai Elantra Limited. As you can see, I got one pulled up here behind us. Let's go through it real quick. We'll start up front with the cascading Hyundai grille. Beautiful. Wraparound LED daytime running lights, LED headlights. Very sporty alloy wheels. You're going to get blind spot detection, LED turn signals on the outside, a proximity key. No need to keep up with the key, throw it in your pocket, and you ain't got to worry about it. This one's going to have our premium gray leather. You're going to get a touchscreen monitor with navigation, Android Auto, Apple CarPlay, heated seats, blind spot detection, smart cruise control, lane keep assist, and media functions at the tip of your fingers. Brandon, that's not the best part about us here at Tameron. The best part about us here are the warranties. We have a 5-year, 60,000-mile new car warranty, 20 years, 200,000 on the powertrain. You're also going to get 3 years worth of complimentary maintenance. It's going to cover your oil change, oil filter, multi-point inspections, and tire rotations. So come see me. My name's Kevin. You can reach me on my cell, 205-767-3050. You're going to love the way you treat it here at Tameron and Hoover.